Hey guys, welcome back to TechieFly channel. Hope you all are doing great. Firstly, thank you so much for choosing this video to learn. And in this video, we're gonna learn AutoCAD User Interface. So before we're gonna start this video, there is one red color subscribe button. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for all kind of notification. So without any further delays, let's get right jump into the video. If we learn AutoCAD, we have to install AutoCAD software. So after download, installation and activation, you will be eligible to draw your needed or required diagrams, and that is so mandatory part, no? So we have to do that. After completion of all that process, your desktop had an icon called AutoCAD with a symbol of capital A. Click on that icon to open AutoCAD software. It will take a few seconds to open, and mine is 2018 version, and we have a recent versions like 2019, 2020, 2021. You can download any of these according to your system requirements. So in that we have a couple of groups like get started, recent documents, notification and connect. First one, get started. This is the place where you can open a new file by click on start drawing, or else you can go with the existing file that you wanna open. Then pop-up box will appear. Choose which file you gonna open, then click open. Then existing drawing file will be open. Okay. Come to the start page by click on start tab because we need to discuss a lot more on the start page. And also we have open a sheet set, get more templates online, explore sample drawing, but mainly in the beginning stage we use start drawing and open an existing file, that is open files. Now move on to the recent document. We have recently used documents, and at the bottom of these recent documents, there are three buttons. First one is a bigger image with a smaller title, and second one having an image along with the title, and the last one is showing the title with the document kind of view. Next, we have a notifications that tell like you are offline and offline help is not installed. If required, install it. And followed by connect. In this, you can connect to the Autodesk by signing to A369 to access online service, and also send feedback. Now click on start drawing, then empty or blank space with lots of tabs, panels and icon. Do not be so scared at all. We'll learn one by one in a simple way. So first go to icon A, that is called as application menu. By click on that application menu icon, we'll see all of these. New is for open a new workspace or a new file. Open is used to open an existing file. Save is to save our work. Save as is giving a location to save our file. And here remember, AutoCAD file saving extension is .dwg. After giving a name to your file, that will be displayed here, name, which means your respective name.dwg. And then we have an options called import to import in a different formats like PDF, DCN and so on, and export to export the file in a different formats or extensions as well. We have publish to publish our work via email and send it to 3D print services like so, and followed by print, drawing utilities and close. In close we have two buttons like you can close currently working drawing or close all currently working drawing, or else you can directly click on this close button. Icon A is not completed yet, so we have a recent documents icon to open recent document. Currently we are in a recent document icon and it has a recently opened document. You can arrange it according to order list, access date, by size or by type. And also you can choose a small icon, large icon, small image or large image. And we have open document icon as well, and in that we have a search bar to type. So search bar is used to type any command, info, or anything that you couldn't find in a tabs workspace or like so. So it is very useful to find it through search bar. After icon A, we have a quick access toolbar. In that, new, open, save as, plot, undo, redo operations. There is a customized quick access toolbar button, and these are selected ones which placed here, and you can select according to your comfortability. So when you click on the layer, that respective icon will be displayed here. If not, deselect it. If you click on show below the ribbon, it will be placed below the ribbon bar. If not, deselect it. Likewise, you can customize this quick access toolbar. After that, AutoCAD version along with drawing name.dwg, that is called as title bar. Below this, we have home, insert, annotate, parameter, view, manage, output, etc. These are called as tabs. As you can see in the home tab, we have draw, modify, annotation, layers, block, and so on. These are called as groups. In each group, there is a bunch of commands like line, polygon, circle, arc, etc. Likewise, every tab has its respective groups, and in that some commands categorized according to their functionality. The entire line is called as ribbon, and we have a new drawing tab here. You can click on the plus button to open a new drawing tab. If not, to close it by selecting this cross button. This is called as in canvas control. You can change the view here as well as in view cube also. When we draw any 3D object, this in-canvas control is very helpful. This plus button works as a cursor and it's called as a crosshair. The entire free space is called as a workspace, used to draw diagrams on this workspace. You can zoom in or zoom out according to your object sizes. This is called as a view cube. You can set on which face you want to see your object. Change this view cube according to that way. And this is called as a navigation bar. The navigation bar consists of a steering wheel, pan, zoom, orbit, show motion. Now come to the down part of the workspace. It has a command line. By using this command line, you can type commands to get access commands more easily. For example, we need to draw a circle, then type C in the command line, then enter. See, circle command activated. And can able to draw a circle. Yay! Or else you can also type command on workspace to activate any of those commands. This is called as a status bar. In this status bar, we have bunch of buttons. Some are like grid mode, ortho mode, polar mode, object snap mode, object snap tracking mode, etc. And customization button to design this status bar. And also there is one gear button. Click on this button, then you will see something like so AutoCAD has three different workspaces. So one is drafting and annotation. So when you open AutoCAD, by default drafting and annotation setting will be opened, that is 2D drawing. And second one is 3D basic. If you click on this, you will be redirected to basic 3D drawing. And last but not the least, 3D modeling. In this, you have bulk of 3D commands to design our 3D drawings, 3D models. And this is my most favorite workspace because the magic happened here. So these are three different workspaces in AutoCAD. We have a user coordinate system, that is UCS. When you are in a 2D workspace, then X and Y axis will appear, and when you are in a 3D workspace, then X, Y and Z axis will appear. And we have some tabs like model, layout 1 and 2. So the model is used to design object on a workspace, and layout is for how our works look like. You can use the new layout by click on this plus symbol. This is all about AutoCAD User Interface. We'll discuss how navigation bar works and when we need to use these buttons in the status bar, also how to draw objects by using commands in upcoming videos. So if you all want to learn with me and design something new, then make sure to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for all kind of notification, and also send pictures of your work improvisation in Instagram. I will give link in description box down. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So if you all like this video along with my explanation, please do like, share and give feedback in comment section. Okay, let me take a deep breath. I will see you all in my next one more interesting video.